안녕하세요, 여러분. Want to sound more natural in Korean? Let's learn how to conjugate verbs into formal or polite and casual speech. For this episode, let's learn how to conjugate verbs into formal speech. The dictionary form of Korean verb always ends in da. For example, the verb 가다, which means go. The verb 먹다, which means eat. And the verb 공부하다, which means study. To conjugate it to formal speech, we simply drop da and then we add punida if the verb ends in a vowel, and we add 씁니다 if the verb ends in a consonant. Okay, so let's take for example 가다. We simply drop da and then add right, punida, because it ends in a vowel a. So now we have 갑니다. Now, if the verb ends in a consonant like 먹다, if we drop da, it ends with 기역. Then we add 씁니다. Now we have 먹습니다. How about verbs ending in 하다, like 공부하다? You simply drop da and then add punida because it ends in a vowel a. So now we have 공부합니다. Now you might wonder, why is it pronounced as 공부합니다 when it is spelled 공부합니다? It is because when 비읍 meets the consonant ni은, it is sound as 미음. It is because when 비읍 and ni은 meet, the sound of 비읍 transforms into 미음 due to a phonological rule called nasalization. Now, 여러분, try conjugating these verbs into formal form. 읽다, 듣다, 쉬다, 끝나다. Lastly, 좋아하다. If you find this helpful, hit the like and follow for more Korean learning tips. 다음에 또 만나요, 여러분.